Hello everyone, welcome to Diva classes. This is Divya Vadwani and today we'll be solving competency focused practice questions for class 12 ISC business studies. Okay, जिसमें हम लोग आज MCQs के कुछ MCQs we will take some very important MCQs that are provided by the council in their own document. तो सबसे पहले द फर्स्ट MCQ says that राहुल वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ गवर्नेंस रिस्क एंड कंप्लायंस सेल at Speed Infotech Solutions has organized a training session for his team to guide them about the amendments in the company's operating procedure. Training program will enable his team members to be equipped with changes and therefore be more vigilant while performing their office duties. So क्या बताया गया कि एक ट्रेनिंग सेशन वो प्रोवाइड करेंगे एंड वाई सो दैट कि जो भी कंपनी में कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स हुए हैं कंपनी के ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर्स में उसको बताने के लिए. तो विच काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग इज इट? दिस इज जॉब ट्रेनिंग? नो. दिस इज रेमीडियल? नो. दिस इज वर्सिटैलिटी? नो. दिस इज रिफ्रेशर ट्रेनिंग. डिफरेंट स्किल्स के लिए वर्सिटैलिटी, रेमीडियल कोई चीज़ को ठीक करने के लिए, अपग्रेड करने के लिए, बट दिस विल बी योर रिफ्रेशर ट्रेनिंग. देन नेक्स्ट वन, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट पब्लिशिंग company in US has hired data entry operators to work remotely. कुछ चीज़ें इसमें बताई गई हैं. These operators have flexible online schedules and work for 3 hours on a regular basis. तो you have to tell कि ये जो है ये which of them best describes the emerging trend. अब ये BPO है नहीं, बिकॉज छोटे छोटा वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कीवर्ड्स आर गिवन, तो हम लोग उसी पर ही फोकस करेंगे. वर्चुअल टीम्स रिमोटली है तो हो सकता है, फ्लेक्सी टाइम हो सकता है एंड परमानेंट पार्ट टाइम हो सकता है. तो वर्चुअल टीम वी विल नॉट टेक बिकॉज हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉट फुल टाइम पीपल. ठीक है, फ्लेक्सी टाइम जहाँ पर दिस हैज़ बीन सेड दे वर्क फॉर 3 hours एंड दैट टू देयर फ्लेक्सिबल ऑनलाइन स्केड्यूल, तो वो सब ठीक है. बट दे आर हायर्ड ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. सिंस दे आर हायर्ड ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस इट विल बी टर्म्ड एज परमानेंट पार्ट टाइम, जहाँ पर वो सिर्फ 3 hours के लिए हायर्ड है. ठीक है, so this will be the answer given is permanent part time, and that too is given in the answer key also. Which one of the following is not an advantage of piece rate of wage payment? Not an advantage means obviously this is a disadvantage. So the easy determination of labor cost per unit, yes it is fine, ठीक है, ये एक advantage है. Then determining the training needs of inefficient workers, ये भी सही है. Securing the willing cooperation of workers for the installation of advanced machines to increase productivity, ठीक है, ये भी सही है. But it increases the solidarity of workers, the support of workers, because it provides an प्रीमियम ऑन एफिशिएंसी. तो ये चीज़ गलत है, वहाँ पर देर इज़ मोर ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन. तो दिस विल बी द आंसर, दैट इज़ नॉट एन एडवांटेज. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Shivam, a senior manager at a leading software development company, has selected 4 members from his team to travel with him to overseas client site for product installation. He calls for a team meeting and explains the reasons for his selection. अब आपको बताना है कि वो जो उसकी leadership style है वो कौन सी है. It stands in a leadership continuum spectrum. Is he selling his decision? He presents the idea and invites questions? No, he is not doing that. He makes a decision and announces it? No. The manager presents a tentative decision subject to change? No, he is selling his decision. Okay, that is leadership quantum spectrum में. ठीक है, that is an act ना that he does. तो Kriday and Karthik, the next one, are co-workers in a chemical factory owned by Karthik's father. In order to raise capital for his venture, Karthik made several pitches, presentations about his business ideas on social media sites. Project involves several groups of individuals making small contributions to this venture. You have to tell Kriday is one of them among who has invested. तो you have to tell कि which kind of funding it is. तो this is crowdfunding, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे large number of investors come and they invest very smaller contributions. And this is crowdfunding. Then next one, as per the mandate given by National Commission for Scheduled Caste under Article 338 of the Constitution of India, it is a duty of Commission to present to the President annually. Annually means ठीक है, हमें periodically एक पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में हमें कोई रिपोर्ट बनानी है. and others as the commission may deem fit, reports upon the working of the constitutional safeguards for scheduled castes. The reports may include recommendation for the measures required to be taken by the union and the states for the effective implementation of those safeguards and other measures for the protection, welfare and socio-economic development of scheduled caste. तो बताना है कि कौन सी ये जो रिपोर्ट है ये नहीं है. फ्यू आर देयर, ऑल माइट बी देयर, बट कौन सी एक नहीं है. रूटीन है, सम पीरियड इज है, तो ऑब्वियसली रूटीन रिपोर्ट है. स्पेशल इंटरप्रिटेटिव है क्योंकि हम उसके बाद क्या बता रहे हैं, उसका what measures we have taken, तो this we are telling. Statutory है, yes obviously this is given by some law, ठीक है. Then which is not there, तो this is not a special report on the happening of some special reason या special circumstances पर report बनाना, ये वो नहीं है, तो this will be the answer. Then which of the following usually provides facility for withdrawals of fund by the employee in order to meet unforeseen personal expenses? So this is your employees provident fund. Okay, next one. At ABC company, Emily, a marketing manager, consistently demonstrates exceptional creativity and leadership, surpassing expectations in her role. The company conducts a comprehensive assessment of her abilities, identifying her as a promising candidate for future leadership. So in case you have to go for future leadership, which of the appraisal has been conducted in this situation? So this is merit grading, no. 360 degree, no. Performance, no. This is potential appraisal, that is for future positions. Okay, promising candidate for future leadership role, so this is potential appraisal. Then next one, in a reflection of the growing demand for skilled engineers in the tech industry, India has seen increase in the number of undergraduate engineering students securing training with monthly stipend of 1 lakh or more from giants like Amazon, Google, Intuit India, Microsoft, Palo Alto and Goldman Sachs. So you have to tell which of the job training is discussed in the above scenario. वो कौन सी kind of training है? तो this is internship. This is for longer period. Classroom, this is not. वेस्टिब्यूल जहाँ पर एक नकली एनवायरनमेंट बनाया जाता है पूरा, तो दिस इज़ योर इंटर्नशिप. इन जनरल भी अगर हम लोग समझे ना, तो दिस इज द पीपल हायर देम एज इंटर्न्स जो वर्क करते हैं. अब ये ऑफ द जॉब ऑन द जॉब में डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज, बट दिस इज इंटर्नशिप ट्रेनिंग. Then the next one, the last one for today, Company Z adopted a targeted promotion policy which involves selective sharing of promotion details with designated decision makers, thereby limiting participation to the chosen few. मतलब हम उसका जो स्कोप है उसी को कम कर दे रहे हैं. तो what kind of promotion policy has been adopted by the company? तो this is closed policy. Okay, so that's it for today. Rest we'll be doing in the next part. Till then, keep preparing. Best wishes. Thank you.